In 217 BCE, Hannibal unleashed an army of war elephants across the Alps, terrifying Rome. Hannibal Barca, the Carthaginian general, crossed treacherous mountains with elephants and soldiers. At the Battle of Trebia, his elephants charged the Roman lines. Their size, noise, and sheer presence broke Roman formations. Many soldiers panicked, horses bolted, and chaos spread. Ancient armies had rarely faced such beasts in battle, and their psychological impact was immense. Yet, despite the fear, elephants could be unpredictable. Some trampled Hannibal's own troops. In war, even the mightiest weapon can turn against you.